If you're starting your first website in 2025 and wondering which hosting company to trust, this quick guide is for you. I'll break down exactly why A2 Hosting stands out, and whether it's the right choice for you. A2 Hosting is known for speed, stellar support, and flexible pricing. Whether you're building a blog, business site, or affiliate project, it's beginner-friendly and reliable. Speed matters more than ever. A2 Hosting's turbo servers load websites up to 20 times faster using NVMe storage, light-speed caching, and free CDN tools. A2 Hosting gives you peace of mind with free SSL, daily backups, DDoS protection, and HackScan security, all included at no extra cost. Don't worry. A2 Hosting's Guru Crew support is available 24/7 via live chat, phone, or ticket. They actually solve problems, not just read scripts. It's ideal for affiliate marketers, bloggers, freelancers, and small business owners. If you want speed and simplicity without the tech headache, A2 is a great choice. If you're ready to launch your website, use my A2 Hosting link below. You'll get a special discount, and it helps support my free content at no extra cost to you. And don't forget to grab your free website launch checklist, a step-by-step PDF to go from zero to live in under an hour. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly web tools and tutorials.